What up? I'm Trevor from Skullcandy, and I'm here to talk to you about your new Dime 3 earbuds. In this video, you'll learn how to use your new earbuds, from unboxing to the most advanced features. For specific features, you can skip ahead using these time codes. Here's what you'll find inside the package. Dime 3 True Wireless Earbuds, charging case, ear gels sized small, medium, and large, a USB-C charge cable, and a user guide. Easy there, don't throw that packaging away. All Skullcandy packaging is 100% recyclable. Just find a recycle bin and toss it in. To power your Dime 3 on for the first time, remove the stickers covering the charging points on both buds. Then place the earbuds back in the charging case. When both LEDs show red, remove them from the case. Your earbuds will automatically turn on when you remove them from the case, and they'll automatically turn off when you put them back in the case. To turn your buds off outside of the case, press the button on each earbud 2 times, then hold for 1 second. To turn them back on, press each earbud for 1 second. To pair your new earbuds with the device, remove them from the case. You'll hear a tone that indicates your earbuds have powered on. A voice prompt will tell you the earbud battery life, and a voice prompt will say ready to pair as the LEDs begin to pulse red and blue. Both earbuds are now in pairing mode. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device and find Dime 3 in your list of available devices. Then hit Confirm Pair. MULTIPOINT makes multitasking easy by allowing your earbuds to pair to 2 devices at once. For example, while watching YouTube videos on your laptop, you can take a call on your phone without the hassle of disconnecting from one device to pair with the other. With your earbuds powered on, you can pair a second device by holding the button on either earbud for 3 seconds. The voice prompt will say, ready to pair, and the LEDs will pulse red and blue. Select the second device to be paired from your device's Bluetooth list. A voice prompt will say connected. Once paired to the second device, you will now be able to seamlessly stream from either device as needed. If you want to, you can also disable multi-point pairing in the Skull IQ app.
Connected.
You can easily control your earbuds by pressing the Skull logo button on the front surface. To play or pause your audio or answer or end a call, press either bud once. To reject an incoming call, press and hold either bud for 1 second. To volume up, press either bud twice. To volume down, press either bud 3 times. To turn Stay Aware mode on or off, press either bud 1 time and then press and hold for 1 second. To toggle between EQ modes, press either bud 4 times. To activate your device's voice assistant, press and hold either bud for 1 second. Dime 3 is equipped with Clear Voice Smart Mic, an advanced microphone that uses artificial intelligence to isolate the speaker's voice and reduce background noise. Clear Voice Smart Mic is especially effective at eliminating discontinuous noise, the kind of background chatter you'd find in a crowded coffee shop or airport. Dime 3 is designed to fit comfortably and securely in your ear. Here's how to get the best fit. First, place your bud in your ear at an angle, then rotate slightly to the front or the back and secure in place. Your earbud should feel comfortable and stable. For optimal acoustic performance, you also want to be sure your ear gel creates a nice seal just inside your ear. Dime 3 comes with 3 sizes of ear gels to help you find the best fit. Try each size of the provided ear gels to see which fit works best for you. Dime 3 holds up to 8 hours of play on a single charge. Your charging case holds an additional 12 hours of battery time, for a total of up to 20 hours of listening time. To charge your earbuds, place them in the charging case. The LEDs will turn solid red to indicate they are now charging. When they are fully charged, the LEDs will turn off. When your batteries have about 45 minutes of playtime remaining, about 15% charge, and again with about 20 minutes or 8% charge of playtime left, a voice prompt will notify you battery low. To check case battery life, plug in the charging cable. The single LED located next to the USB-C charging port will light up and indicate the current case battery level. Red is 0 to 25%, yellow 26 to 75%, and green 76 to 100%. The Dime 3 case can be independently charged whether the earbuds are in it or not. With our rapid charge feature, a 10-minute charge of the charging case will provide more than 2 hours of battery playtime. Stay Aware mode makes it easier to hear what's going on around you, so you can stay in touch with your surroundings while enjoying a little background music. This is especially nice at the airport when you want to hear announcements, or at the gym when you want to keep track of what's going on around you. Simply press either earbud one time and then press and hold 1 second to toggle between stay aware mode on or off. Who you asking for help these days? Siri? Bixby? Google Assistant? Unlike proprietary earbuds, Skullcandy earbuds work with any assistant. Simply execute the active assistant button commands by holding either bud for 1 second to enable your local device's assistant and ask away. To make sure you never lose your earbuds, Dime 3 comes with tile finding technology built in. Tile tracking feature is easy to set up and will allow you to locate either one of your earbuds if you've misplaced them. To use Tile, you'll need to download the free Tile app. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the app to both Dime 3 earbuds so they're easily trackable. To help you get the best sound quality from your content, your earbuds feature 3 preset EQ listening modes: music mode, bass boost mode, and podcast mode. Your default EQ setting is music mode, which is great for general listening. Bass boost mode increases the low frequencies for a bass-heavy audio experience. Podcast mode removes most of the bass response and it's great for podcasts or audiobooks. To switch between EQ modes, press either bud 4 times. A voice prompt will notify you each time your EQ mode changes. You can use either earbud by itself to stay tuned in to the world around you. We call this solo mode. To use solo mode, simply remove either earbud from the charging case. Your selected earbud will pair and function normally. To use both earbuds again, remove the other bud from the case, and once powered on, audio will begin to stream automatically in stereo mode. If you're having trouble getting audio to play from both earbuds, you can quickly resync them. Ensure your earbuds are powered on and your Bluetooth is disconnected. Press both earbuds 4 times and your buds will begin to slowly flash red and blue while they resync. Once synced, your buds will quickly flash blue 4 times within 2 seconds, and you're ready to reconnect your Bluetooth. If you're having pairing difficulties, you can reset Dime 3 by clearing the paired device list and restoring your buds to their default settings. First, remove your earbuds from your device's Bluetooth paired list and turn Bluetooth off. Remove both earbuds from the case. A tone will indicate that your earbuds are powered on. Hold the button on both buds for 6 seconds. A tone will indicate a successful reset, and both earbuds will quickly flash purple 5 times. A voice prompt will say ready to pair, and both earbuds will pulse red and blue. Now turn on your device's Bluetooth and select Dime 3. Accept the pair or OK prompt that appear on your screen. When pairing is complete, a voice prompt will say connected and the LEDs will flash blue. If you're having a problem with your Dime 3 buds, please reach out to customer service before filing a warranty claim. We can proudly resolve your problem with a simple contact. Thank you for choosing Skullcandy True Wireless. Welcome to the next generation of Dime, the Dime 3.